There. Yeah. Boy, your baby girl. Hi guys. Sorry for the bad manners. Hi guys. La Viva here. Your girl is hungry and it is raining. But as a mother, I gotta make it happen. Gotta go and get some stuff to make rice and pepper sauce. You wanna join me? Join me guys. Let's go. I'm going to be starting with rice. My rice was finished. Rice was finished, so let me get some rice from the rice guy. Good morning, ma. Yes, ma. How is the family? Ekaso. Rice, man. Oh God, rain. Oh. That's in there. I'm videoing you. You're hiding. Oh yeah. Beans as well. So done with rice and beans. Off I go to get some pepper down there. The pepper. I want something pepperish and pomo. Iye bright. That's my sister. I'll see my sister there. Iye bright. Let me zoom you. Nobody, it's my video. Where they go? Look at this beautiful. Now come make you the wear this. Abi you won't go party. Come see paint mouth. Yeah, bright. You don't get new boyfriend. You know if you tell me. Your children. Hey, yeah. Though. I want buy pepper. See pomo. Pepper. See, I want spicy. See pepper. Go happen today. Hey. Okay. Off to meat place. Let's go and get meat. Spicy pepper sauce and rice because this weather. I needed something spicy. Guys, you I feel. Hey, I'm a content creator. I got great content today. Yes, meat place. Yeah. Hey, Castle, I hope there's meat. Hey, this man spoiled all my faggy. Let's go fight it for me. Also, it's dead door. Kò sí ọ̀kan rárá. So let's go back to pepper. I have meat. I have some protein here. The type of protein that I wish to use shaki. That's the intestine. Shaki and what do they call intestine? You know that? You don't change again. Yeah, bright. Come and give me some pepper. This is my sister. Come and give me some pepper. Bele? Watch people online. So that we can watch. It's my goggle. Hey, let me show you my feet. I gotta put on my husband's Crocs. No, Regale ni jare. Bóyá nírọ̀lẹ́. Adúpẹ́, wọ́n sí around. This woman asking me if I will buy fish. I'm not buying fish. I want to do maize. What? That's all. That's all. How much? Okay. See, just to make small sauce, I'm spending almost 10K. Like before, when you don't get like 2K, everything don't sit. I'm spending roughly 10K just to make rough sauce. And that's because I have some of the ingredients at home. If not, you spend money tire. This boy outside me, let me go. I'm catching cold. I'm catching cold. Oh, just imagine how this one crossed the road. That's our salvation stop. Yeah, bring me. Helping myself with a cold with a hot coffee. Hey, my phone is no longer there. But I think we must office real. So let's go. Let's go and make it happen. Hi guys, so La Viva here. Oh, this filter has made me to have a blush on my cheeks. Alright, so let's go in and start cooking. I will carry you along. Let's go. Alright guys, let's start. What do I want from here? I think I need this. I need this. I need ginger. I need curry. Turmeric, no, I don't need this. I don't need this. I need this. I need my seasoning powder. Okay. Okay, I need my hand blender. I want to use this. Okay. So, guys. Oh, I can't wait for my tripod stand to come. You see, hanging my phone is always a stress. It's stressing me. I ordered for a tripod stand from Temu, and I pray I get a tripod stand, not a toy. Alright guys, hey, let's cook. Let's cook. I've put everything, gotten everything for the pepper spicy sauce. So let me wash, put them together, put them on the fire. So let's go. In 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to show you the process because, hello, you know how to fry some beans and sauce, right? So I'm just going to show you towards the end what we got, and I will let you know if it's sweet or not. I don't lie. I'll tell you the truth. If it's sweet, if it's not, I'll tell you. It's not sweet. Simple when it's sweet. If it's sweet, no, it's not sweet. La Viva, your Andrew babe, married to an Igbo man. Hey, keep going. Let's keep going. See, there's a way the pepper blended in this stuff, the stew sweetens. Am I right? Differently. Get the way the one they blend for you, they hits differently. It's sweet, eh? I don't know. When I blend with this, it's different from when I blend. The taste is usually different from when I blend with my blender, the electric blender. The electric blender, makes my pepper to smoothing out too much. Even if I wanted to, even if I say, okay, let me set it to make it rough, I will still not get this consistency that this one gives me. So I like this. When I want to make rough stew, I prefer to use this. I don't know if we are thinking alike or differently. So let's go. Don't mind me, don't mind me. It's just me, it's just me. I am just a vlogger. Can you? No. Now, can you please subscribe? Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my channel, please. Go down, hit subscribe. Subscribe to La Viva's channel, to Vivian's channel, please. Kindly please subscribe to my channel. Okay, help me now. Help your girl. Help your girl. Help your girl to grow. Help me, as I also help you. See, if you go to you will see that I subscribe to a lot of people's on channel because I love to see people grow. So I want to also grow. Can you do that for me too? One good pounds deserve another. It's okay. I'm almost done. So let's go. I will show you the end of the come, let's see the rice. See the rice and beans. Rice and beans. And the protein. Blending. Hi guys. I'm so sorry. I forgot to conclude the video. So this is my rice and beans. See, I actually forgot I was recording entirely. See, I don't even dish rice for myself. Okay, our sauce, our pepper sauce. See, I added some more. Let me show you. See, oh god, I can cook. Chai! See, if you have a taste of this sauce, if you taste salmon, you go know say I do babe cook. I don't like my sauce too fried, that is not have juice. No, I like it fried, but not too fried, not over fried. Like all this, you know what I mean. So I like it fried, but not too fried. So let me dish for myself. Ooh, see, I even added roundabout. I added, what do you call it, shaki. I added, what do you call this thing, safe liver. Yay, liver. Yeah, stable. Let me snap this camera. Stable, please be still. Okay, so let me dish for myself. Yeah. See, this liver, we go chop it. This particular one, I won't chop it. Oh my god, you are missing. You better invite me to come and cook for you. If I cook for you, you no go forget to. Hey, Edo babe with the sauce. Edo babe with the vibe. It's La Viva's kitchen. I can cook, forget. No, jokes apart. Jokes apart, Vivian can cook. If I cook for you, I can cook. No, for real, I can cook. The food, the only thing I cannot cook or make is pap. You see that thing? They can do something for me. I cannot do. Anyhow, like my adwan, it need it done. It no go done. That thing will not cook. It will not. It can disgrace me. That thing can disgrace me. So I don't even go there. Whenever I'm preparing, I either call my daughter, my mom, if she's around me, my husband. He's the same. Anytime they want to take pap, he will just know that, guy, you are making it. You know, you are making it. Yeah. Thank you. Let me go and enjoy with my daughter. with a bottle of Coke or Pepsi with a cola. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Just, it's not hard, just bam, subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Bye.